Okay, y'all, so I got about half an hour before the owner of the apartment where I'm staying. This is where I'm staying on booking.com. Look, there's Sarajevo. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, it's so beautiful here. Anyway, I love y'all. So I got my hair in these braids. I'm going to take them out and do my Afro puffs. But since I have a half hour, I'm just going to de-ratchet myself. So I cut 2 strips in the back of my shirt here and tied it around here to make a nice little addition. And then I'm going to change my shoes. I'm going to put on these shoes. I got some earrings from New Yorker. I'm going to put these on. And then I'm going to take my braids out and do my Afro puffs. Hold on a second. Put the camera here. They won't get mad. Stay. Hold on a second. 1 second, y'all. Oh, and the last apartment I was in, because they were booked for today, so I had to book another spot. This one, she gave me this fan. Isn't it pretty? I'm gonna use it today because you know I'm an empress, honey. We need our fans. Let me finish. So I just put it on the ground, y'all. Screw it. So I got my bag right here. I got my lotion. I put some lotion on these crusty feet. I change my sandals. Actually, I'm gonna bring y'all back over here because it's too far away. I don't know what's going on with this. My ad. We put it right here. Yep, whatever. Put some lotion on. Because they said I could come at 12 and drop my bags off. And then check-in is at 3. Which to me that's a little late for check-in, but whatever. I got stuff to do, so it's no matter. But, you know, I still think it's a little late. Praise them. Okay. I need some more lotion. I polish my toes the same color as my skirt. Because bougie hobo. But I think this the hood part of Sarajevo. And it's hilly. Like, I had to pause like 3, 4, 5, 9 times to get up here. So, but I did have my bag with me, so yeah. Okay. Okay, put on I'm gonna put on the biggest hoops. I like this pair, but I'm gonna put on the bigger ones. So, praise them. Let me pause it while I do that. Okay, so I put my earrings on. I'm gonna take these braids out. Okay, that's the first braid out. I gotta let it dry and then I can puff it out. But yeah. Okay, so I took 3 braids out and I'm gonna leave this back one in there. Yeah, and put a little. I was gonna put some eyeliner on, but I changed my mind. It's too hot. Okay, y'all, I think that's it. Hope I shaved everything. Love y'all. Toodles.